Hello friends. So why do we need a microscope? Microscope, like we used to study in our schools, magnifies so many advantages. But the most obvious advantage is vision. What we can see is only what we can treat. We cannot treat the things we cannot see clearly. That is, जो हमें दिखता नहीं उसको कैसे इलाज करोगे? So this is the device that I have been shouting since last 2 months to get yourself treated and examined under. I'll try to explain you the importance of this device by some example. Let me try and show you by a simple example. This is a diamond ring. You can see something missing in this. This is the lowest possible mag. If I increase the magnification, I can see 2 diamonds missing here. I can see less diamonds present and glittering. If I increase it further, I can see clearly what more are absent. And on the highest possible magnification, I can see the joints where the diamonds are connected. The missing diamonds and the connected diamonds. I can see every joint. It is possible for me to work on a single point. Same is the condition of the tooth. I can work with this magnification on the simplest carious lesion, and I can avoid touching the natural tooth structure and save the enamel. So this was a dental microscope. I have illustrated with a very simple example, that is jewelry. I don't think there can be a better example for this, especially for the females. If you can invest so much on diamonds and jewelry, why not on your teeth? They are no less than diamonds. We can treat much better if we can see magnified in this microscope than as compared to naked eye. So come to visit us, and I'll be very happy to show you my microscope and tell you more about it. You are welcome. Let me and give us a chance to serve you better.